it's your boy Amazing Chef Adrian along with Toronto Caribbean Carnival, and today I'm going to be cooking you up some scrumptious jerk chicken tacos. Let's go. All the ingredients for this recipe will be listed at the end, so sit back and relax. Instead of salsa, these tacos will be dressed with a sweet and juicy mango pineapple chutney. Make sure to have a grown-up help with all the cutting you do. Dice up half a cup of ripe mango, half a cup of red onion, and half a cup of yummy pineapple. You'll also want to shred at least 2 cups of spinach and cheddar cheese and store it in the fridge for later. Next, mix together 2 tablespoons of honey. That's 1. And that is 2. Next, mix in half a teaspoon of allspice and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this in thoroughly. Now onto your jerk chicken. I am using ground chicken, which is faster to cook and you won't even have to season it in advance. Heat a medium-sized pan on medium heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for every pound of chicken. I am feeding a lot of family today, so I am making 3 pounds of chicken, and I made 3 times the amount of chutney. Chicken in the pan while adding 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of habanero barbecue sauce, and 3 tablespoons of Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. Authentic jerk chicken is normally cooked over wood or charcoal. By using a smoky barbecue sauce with the jerk seasoning, we can really get close to that sweet, smoky flavor. Now, I'm going to add some scallions with chives and thyme. Once your chicken is cooked, you'll want to toast your tortillas. You can use whole wheat, corn or flour tortillas. For this recipe, I will be using traditional flour tortillas. This chicken smells awesome. Let's have a taste. This is awesome. This is awesome. The smoky flavor of the habanero barbecue sauce is just divine. It's awesome. Like, the jerk is not too overpowering to the rest of the seasonings. It's perfect. It has a spazzow. It's not like burning your mouth on fire. It's awesome. And now we are ready to put together our tacos. Time to make the tacos! First, fold the tortillas like a taco. Then you put the jerk chicken as your first layer. Next, top it with spinach. Then sprinkle some of the cheese on top. And lastly, some chutney to finish it off. Finally, time to taste it. Woo! The smoky jerk taste with the zesty cheddar and the fruity spice chutney, just scrumptious. Let's recap everything you'll need for this dish. For the salsa and toppings, you'll need half a cup of mango diced up, half a cup of red onions diced up, half a cup of pineapple also diced up into chunks, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of allspice, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of spinach, 2 tablespoons of honey. For the jerk chicken filling, use 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of smoky habanero barbecue sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Walker's Wood authentic jerk seasoning. Half a cup of scallions, a 1/4 cup of chives, optional, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. This recipe makes 6 tacos, so you can double or triple the ingredients if you need more. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these scrumptious tacos. Follow me as Amazing Chef Adrian on IG, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tasty videos. Thank you to Amsterdam Empire and Neri Media for making this so much fun. And finally, a big up to Toronto Caribbean Carnival for helping us all celebrate our culture online.